All right, for number 10, it says, which of these points is on the graph of the line? So remember and then they give us the absolute value equation here for the graph. And so if you remember again, the word point on a graph, right, point on a graph is the same thing as a solution. So all we have to do is substitute them and figure out which of these which of these are a solution. And the place you have to watch out for are these absolute values, because those are sort of like parentheses where you have to do the inside first, and before you can start doing anything else, also you have to evaluate those absolute values. So let's just start off with plugging in a. I'm going to plug in this for my y is -4 and 2 for my x. So I have -4 is equal to -2 absolute value. Then my x is going to be 2 minus 1 minus 2. And so I get -4 is equal to -2. Now inside here, we're going to do that first. 2 minus 1 is just 1 minus 2. And then I get -4 is equal to, and then before we can multiply, we have to take this absolute value first. And I see that the absolute value of 1 is just 1. And now we can do this. So -4 is equal to -2 minus 2, which is true. -4 is equal to -4. So that one is the answer. So this one, it came out okay, but one mistake a lot of people made on, I believe, the last test was that they were trying to multiply before they did the absolute values. You need to make sure you do the absolute value first, because it may give you an answer that is incorrect.